payment has been made on my Radius account. In my previous video, I showed you how I was able to make money on my Radius account, and another payment has been made on my Radius account. So let me quickly show you the amount that I withdrew some months ago, and we shall continue with this video. So as you can see, on the 3rd of August, I was being paid 926 Ghana cedis, which I made a video about that. And on the 15th of August 2023, just 15th that passed, I was able to withdraw, or I was sent, Radio sent me 887, and their fee was 39 Ghana cedis. So this is how the money I've withdrew from Radio so far, and I still have pending balance in my account, which I'm going to be paid very soon. So as you can see, just today I was able to make 109 Ghana cedis, and my total pending balance is 1,098.74 Ghana cedis. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make this money online with Radius. So welcome back to my channel once again. My name remains Richmond, and this channel is my channel, Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, we teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, and anything related to how to make money online. We do CPA marketing, anything that is related to making money online. So if you're somebody who really wants to make money online, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. So 4 weeks ago, I made this video to show you how I maximized my profit on the internet with Pluralsight course. Yes, and this was the video that I was able to make this that I used to make money with this method. So this is the method that you can use to make money on Radius, and you can make money with YouTube without even making a video by yourself. So on the 24th of July, I made this video. I posted the video on YouTube and showing people how to sign up to Pluralsight and getting access to their course. After creating this video, I will write a description and leave a link in the comment section. Yes, and this is how I've been able to make this money on Radius right now. So you can see just today I was able to get 109 Ghana cedis, and my total pending balance with this month I've been able to get okay, let me go to this month, 766 Ghana cedis from just this video that I posted on YouTube. The views is not going, so I don't know why I was able to make these clicks and this actions. So 14 actions, and I've made 766 Ghana cedis with just promoting a CPA offer on Radio. So Pluralsight is just a CPA offer. When you get somebody to buy, fine. If the person takes an action by just taking the course, you are going to get a profit of $5 from that. Yeah. So let me go to my pending section to show you my pending earning and when I'm going to be paid. So as you can see, I'll be paid in 23 days, as you can see over here. So when you move on to pending action, it's going to load over there. So as it's loading, consider to subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, and turn on notification bell. So if you have any question, you can leave that in the comment section. So as you can see, on the 17th of August, I was able to get somebody to sign up. On the 18th, I got a sign up. 19th I got 4 sign-ups. 19th I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even 6 sign-ups. And then 20th I got 3 sign-ups, 21st 1, and today I got 2. So this is how you can make money with YouTube without even making a video on that. And I even went to Facebook to post my link over there. So let me go to my Facebook account and then show you what I did on my Facebook account. So let me move on to my pending action and show you something. And then click see, let's see something from that place. Okay, so let's look at the action details on this action that the person took. Okay, so as you can see, the referral URL was from Facebook. That means that person clicked on the link from Facebook. Yes, so this is basically how you can use Facebook and YouTube traffic to run your CPA offers without having any paid version of it, without paying for any traffic. Yes, as you can see, the person took the action by just signing up, by trying just trial version. Yes, just trying for the product, and this is how everything works. And as you can see, these actions were 0 per sale is 0, but I'm still making a cool money over here. So let me move on to my overall earnings on this platform since I created this account. Yes, I'll go to the whole year or my lifetime and then show you how much I've made from this website since I created my account. Okay, so I'll go by the filter over here to filter out. Let me move on to this year only. Okay, so it's still loading, and guys, as you can see, this year only I've got 316 clicks and then 41 actions, and I've been paid 2,025 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to $200 from this platform, guys. And you can even all you need to do is to come to Impact Radio, sign up for account, join some of the programs, and Impact Radio's alternative is share sale. So if you can't get approval on Impact Radio, because getting approval on this website is very difficult if you don't have a personal website. So because some of you are because the reason why some of your application is being rejected is you don't have personal website added to your account. That's the reason why most of the brands like those with website. Yes, so if you want quick approval, you can get yourself a website. I have video that talks about how to get a domain name. You can watch that to get your domain name from Ghana, and instantly you can get approval on this website. So this is the all-time earning, and then I have still pending balance of 1,000 Ghana cedis that will drop in my account very soon, and I have 300 Ghana cedis coming before the rest will come. Yes, so guys, this is basically how you can use Impact YouTube traffic and Facebook traffic to earn yourself an income. Yes, this is the easiest traffic source that you can get. Yes, from Impact Facebook and YouTube traffic, quality traffic that you can use to generate income online. So as you can see, I have a pending balance that will be paid on September 3rd. I have 332 Ghana cedis to be paid, and I still have 766 Ghana cedis coming in. Yes, so that is that, guys. And as always says, keep hustling. Don't forget that I do love you guys, and until I see my next video, stay safe. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next video.